Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today guys I've got loads of pens, yay, and I've got these 4 cards that are Lego cards, and if I make, in the ending once I've done this free marker challenge, I get to open up these cards, and we've got these. So the picture that we're going to be doing is SpongeBob, obviously, and we have 2 rounds, 2 SpongeBobs, and here's what I'm going to be drawing on because I'm on the carpet right now. So we're going to close our eyes. I'm going to take my glasses off so I won't be able to see, and let's get right into the video. So I am going to pick this colour. We've got a nice, what colour is this? Where's my, oh here. Whoa. Okay, we've got this nice lime green. Whoa, oopsie daisy. I'm going to pop this here. Now let's take off my glasses. I'll keep them in my hand this time. Okay, this colour. Oh, we got this nice purple, OMG. This colour. And then we got this red, I think, yeah. Alright, okay, so we're going to move these. So what we've got so far is we've got this, like, mint blue-ish. Got this purple, and we've got this pink or red. So first of all, before we get started, I always like to test them out. So what I mean by test them out is I'm just going to draw a little bit like that on there so I can tell which colour this is. So this is this colour. Right, this is that colour, and this is that colour. So we're going to get started. Right, so where's our SpongeBob? He's right here. I think I'm going to go into this colour first. So I'm going to do his eyes this colour. OMG! It looks so weird right now. I'm going to pop this on time lapse so you guys don't have to watch me do this forever. Sadly I can't put it on time lapse, so I'm just going to have to skip out a few bits. And yeah, so what I'm going to do guys is I'm going to colour in these spots purple. Let's go. I've done most of my picture so far, or not most of it at all, but I've done that much. I'm going to carry on colouring in. So I'm kind of thinking for this SpongeBob to be red, because who doesn't like the colour red? I mean, it means danger, but still. Okay, we're going to carry on colouring, and I'm not colouring in my neatest for this, so sorry guys. Alright, so I don't know if we're going to colour in the Krabby Patty. I'm just going to move this a little further so you guys can see it a little bit more. Right, okay, so we're going to get started. I think I'm going to colour it like this. What? This guy's gonna be so weird in red. His eyes look kind of creepy, but that's the whole point of this game. You don't know which colours you'll get, and you have to use the colours you get, even if it looks weird or not. So, oh no guys. And you only get 3 colours, and you have to colour in the whole picture, which is kind of annoying. Right, I don't know which colour we're going to colour in his outfit. Probably like the light green colour, guys. But by the way, guys, go check out my other videos with me and my brother in. By the way, my brother's so annoying. He always wants to go in videos, so that's why George is in most of them. But this is the only one he's not in. Oh, because we haven't done too many videos yet, actually. Oops, I just coloured over one of them spot things. Never mind. We've actually done, I think it's 3 videos so far. No, 4 videos so far, and this will be our 5th video ever on the channel, guys. So please subscribe to our channel. And actually, guys, it is pretty simple for me and George to edit these videos, because all we do, because we've got everything else really good, we don't do magic tricks in our videos, so all we need to do is add in music and then wait for it to upload on YouTube, I guess. So I'm going to carry on colouring this for a little bit more, guys, and as you can see, I'm quite a quick colourer, but I'm going to carry on colouring this for the rest of the video, and I will see you guys once I'm done. Now, press the button. You can tell I've just finished colouring in my unneat SpongeBob, and right now my cat is right behind you guys. OMG, she's so cute. Right. Here's my SpongeBob. He is very unneat, but I like the fact that he's unneat. Now I'm going to colour him in like this. So I'm going to do his outfit this colour, because I thought in the ending, oh yeah, this will be a good outfit for SpongeBob, because green goes really well with red. Oh yeah, Christmas. Christmas SpongeBob, guys. We're gonna have a Christmas SpongeBob. Now this is not the colour I asked for. Thought it was gonna be a really nice colour, but no. It was not. I love how they make these things 3D. And out of all the colours I got some really dark colours, which I think actually getting really surprising colours is actually really fun sometimes, because you don't know what you're going to get, and I like just seeing how it turns out. It's just fun seeing whether or not it looks good, so I don't peek, unlike my brother. He's so annoying when it comes to peeking. So that's my SpongeBob right now, a very Christmassy SpongeBob. Now he's going to have a bit of a tie, so I'm going to turn it upside down. Right. I'm going to do purple. I might have some gaps still here, but luckily we've got a next one, which we're not going to colour with the same colours. We're going to pick another 3 different colours. But whenever we do this, guys, you guys know that we take out the colours that we've already had in the last round. And his skin is going to be red again, obviously, because you can't not have it matching his other skin colour. So, yeah. Right, we're gonna do this, and then 1 finger, and then the 2 other fingers. Right, and then there's his arms. Now we're gonna do his burger, so we're gonna have a purple burger. Oh, yeah, let's have a purple burger. What's up for the purple burger? And then the inside is all going to be green, because we haven't put a lot of green on this guy. Like, can you see there's no green? Yeah, no, it's green. Trust me, guys. And all that feeling in the inside. Right, okay, we're gonna have one stripe like this, and the other stripe like that. I did not do that neatly at all. One stripe like this, instead of like that. And then we'll have his two legs with his legs here. There we go. And his tongue gonna be a nice purple. Right, okay. This is my first SpongeBob. He's plain, he's regular, he's a SpongeBob. Now I'm quite happy with this result. So, you guys know I will either write, I'm going to write up the top Amber, and then do a box where I will tick good, and do a box where I will tick or bad. And I'm gonna say this guy, it's not that, he's actually quite, I'll say Amber because he's okay. I mean, he's not the best I've ever done with drawings because I've got really good colours for these. If I got the exact colours I need for this guy, then that would be amazing. But sadly, I did not. So I ticked Amber. And guys, let's get on to the next one. Guys, here it goes. This colour. Oh, I got this nice blue. Right, I'll pop that this way. This colour. I got this weird green. I'll pop these colours back in. Oh yeah, we can't involve these colours in here. Wait, I'm not gonna do it like. I'm not gonna do crayons. My rubber will use this one, but I don't. And we got purple. So I don't know how this is going to look, but let's get started. So as you can tell, I've already done Mrs. A. You weren't expecting that. Mrs. SpongeBob's skin colour. Now, guys, I am going to, with my other two colours, they're right here. My cat's just snoring in the background. I'm not sure if you guys can hear. She keeps going. I can't do a cat snore, and I can't do a human snore either, so, yeah. Right, okay, let's go like this, this. His eyes are going to be green, the SpongeBob's. It literally just looks like the black. The SpongeBob's got very black eyes. Okay. Right, I'm going to put my colours on here and put these three colours from last round back in the pot. Okay, his spots are going to be blue. Spot, 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 spot. Alright, we've coloured in his spots and all that. Now I think the burger should be blue and then the inside should be that greenish colour. This is going to be a girl SpongeBob because we're going to have a boy and a girl. Making sense? This is the girl. This guy looks like Fear from like movies, if you have emotions. It's weird. I'm done, and the box that I'm going to tick for this is going to have to be good because it actually looks like a proper human being, a sponge that you could actually have and see. I mean, it's even got the proper colour eyes and everything. So I'm going to tick good for this one. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please do give a like and subscribe. Oh wait, we've got to open up these. Let's get started. All the guys, please give a like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all next time. Goodbye guys. Bye. Bye bye.